Hello students, we have started with the amines chapter. We have studied introduction, classification, structure of the amines and also nomenclature of the amines. Hope you are very thorough in naming of the amines. Okay. In the today's class we will discuss about the preparation, general methods for the preparation of the amines. Okay. In your syllabus there are 6 methods are given for the preparation of the amines. Okay. 3 methods are the reduction process. Reduction of the nitro compounds, reduction of the nitriles, reduction of the amines. Okay, 3 more methods are called a named reaction. Gabriel thalliamide synthesis, ammonolysis and Hoffman bromamide degradation. Though these 3 we will study in later, but today we will study about the preparation of the amines by the reduction process. Okay, preparation of the amines by the reduction process. Okay, in the first PUC you have studied what is reduction, what is oxidation and all. Okay, reduction means what? It may be the addition of the hydrogen or the removal of the oxygen, isn't it? Okay, and the compounds which will help in the reduction are called as reducing agents. Okay, what are the reducing agents? The compounds which will help in the reduction process. Okay, example for the reducing agent, hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen in the presence of catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. Nickel, palladium or platinum catalyst passing the hydrogen gas in the presence of these metals is one way of the reduction. Okay, reduction can also be done by using the metal in the presence of acid. For example, Sn in the presence of HCl or Fe in the presence of HCl, or we can also use sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol. Sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol can also act as a reducing agent. One more very good reducing agent is lithium aluminium hydride. It is also one of the reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, by using any of these one can reduce the compounds to amines that we are studying today. Okay, so first one we will take reduction of nitro compounds. Okay, reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro group means what? NO2 group is called as nitro group. See here, RNO2. Okay, RNO2, it is what? Nitro compound. R may be any of the alkyl or aryl group. R may be any of the alkyl or aryl group. See, I am using one of the reducing agent. It is a mixture of metal and acid. Okay, either Sn and HCl can be used or Fe and HCl can be used. Okay, out of these which is more preferred? Okay, out of these mixture this is more preferred because when we add these both will react each other to form a FeCl2 which will trigger the release of little more amount of HCl. Therefore, if we use this mixture, a very small amount of HCl is sufficient for the reaction. Okay, see here, RNO2 is a nitro compound. What I do, I remove this O2 and see I add H2. Now we know that what it is? Amine. It is a primary amine. Okay, I have to add H2. Okay, but this O2 is coming out now. Okay, that O2 will mix with the hydrogens to form a 2 water molecule. Okay, 2 O are combined with the hydrogen to form a 2H2O. Got it? How many H's are there? 2 plus 4. Therefore, 6H. I can write 6H. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen. Okay, this is the general reaction where R may be any of the alkyl or aryl. Got it? Okay, when the nitro compounds passing the hydrogen gas to the nitro compounds in the presence of finely divided catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium, like this also can be written, or treating the nitro compounds with a mixture of metal and acid, we will get the primary amine, where R is the alkyl or aryl. Let's go for the example. Okay, see here, where R is there, you just replace that R with the first simple alkyl group, that is CH3. Okay, okay, CH3NO2. Okay, what is the name of this? Nitromethane. Nitromethane. Okay, nitromethane, this at least will be the fixed one. Okay, hope you got to know why I have added 6 hydrogen atom, because I wanted to remove this O2 as a 2H2O. Okay, same thing, same conditions. Okay, now remove this O2, CH3NH2 plus what? 2H2. Okay, what is the name of this as we have studied? Methyl amine, or IUPAC name methanamine. Okay, and we'll go for the second example. That is, instead of alkyl group, in the second example, I will take aryl group. That is what? In place of R, I take benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring to which NO2 group is attached. What is the name of this? Nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene. 6 hydrogens. Nitrobenzene reacts with the mixture of SnHCl or FeHCl to give what? Remove this oxygen. Okay, NH2. Okay, as you all know, what is the name of this? Aniline. Aniline or benzenamine. Plus what? Plus 2H2O. Okay, this is the first method for the preparation of the amines by using nitro compounds. Okay, next method, second method for the preparation of the amines is reduction. Reduction of nitriles. Nitriles means what? Cyanide group. C triple bond N is called as cyanide group. Okay, yes, here R C triple bond N. Cyanide, alkyl cyanide. When the cyanides are treated with the sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol. Sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol, or also catalytic hydrogenation can be done. Okay, as we have discussed earlier, any of the reducing agent can be used depending upon the nature of this. Got it? See here, what happens? I have to remove these, I have to break those double bonds and should make it a single bond. Okay? See, RCN. I've removed both the bonds. To manage the valency, what I should do? Should add 2 hydrogen atoms here and 2 hydrogen atoms here. See here, CH2 single bond, NH2. Got it? How many hydrogen atoms I have added here? 2 plus 2. 4 hydrogen atoms I have added. 4H. Okay? I don't add extra hydrogen atoms here because I have not removed the oxygen atom to remove the water molecule, isn't it? So need not to add any extra hydrogen atoms. How many atoms I have hydrogen atoms I have added? Those many I have written here. There is no any side product. So what is the name of this? Alkyl cyanide. Okay, what is this? Alkyl amine. Okay, here also we form the primary amine. Okay, by using this product, we can by using this nitriles, we can prepare the aliphatic amines as well as aromatic amines, but primary amines. Okay, we'll take an example. Okay, example number 1. We'll go for the simplest example. CH3C triple bond N. Okay, hydrogens number will be same in as in the general reaction. Hydrogen atom. Okay, and same this condition. Sodium metal in the presence of ethyl alcohol. And CH3, remove this triple bond, CH2, NH2. Now, naming the reactant as well as product are very important. Okay, see here. This is what cyanide group. Okay, consider it as a cyanide group, and to which what is attached? Methyl is attached. Therefore, the name of this is methyl cyanide. Okay, and as it is a very well known amine for you all, what is the name of this? 1, 2. Ethyl amine. Okay, let me take one more example. See here, CH3, CH2, C, triple bond N, 4H. Okay, repeat the same conditions. Okay, see, what is the name of this? Cyanide. What cyanide? Ethyl cyanide. Okay, ethyl cyanide. But look what product we will get. Okay, CH3, CH2, okay, CH2, NH2, CH2, NH2. Okay, name of the reactant CH3, CH2, ethyl cyanide. But what product we get? 1, 2, 3. That is propyl amine. Just observe it. Methyl cyanide we have taken, we have ended with the ethyl amine. Okay, ethyl cyanide we have taken, we have ended with the propyl amine. Okay, if I take the propyl cyanide, we get the product butyl amine. Okay, means what? This method is used to get the amine with the one carbon atom more than in the parent carbon chain. Okay, in the parent carbon chain only R was there, but here with the R 1 CH2 is attached. Here only one carbon were there in the parent chain, with that 2 carbons have come. Only 2 were there, but 3 have come. Okay, this is an example for ascent of carbon chain. Got it? Okay. Now we take the example of benzene ring and write the example. Benzene ring. See, third example it will be benzene ring to which C triple bond N is attached. This at least is 4. You need not to worry about it. Same conditions are followed. Okay. The name of this is phenyl cyanide. Name of this is phenyl cyanide. Okay. What happens? Benzene ring. Okay. And sorry. Okay. Benzene ring. 2 hydrogen atoms here. 2 hydrogen atoms here. This becomes single bond. 2 hydrogen atom. 2 hydrogen atom. Okay. What is the name of this? Benzyl amine. This we have benzyl amine. This example I had not taken during the discussion of the nomenclature part. Okay, please do remember C6H5 benzene ring, NH2, CH2, NH2. C6H5, CH2, NH2 is what? Benzyl amine. Remember. Got it? These are the two methods of reduction of the amines. Reduction of the nitro compounds as well as reduction of the nitriles. Okay. The third method of the reduction, what we have to study is reduction of the amides. Okay. That we will study in the next class. Thank you.